Catherine. Will have to come forward. He's got his captain close by looking for his play. Let's get in between them. And Team Meno finds Samba, who is the deputy captain. Because of place presence, he will not get opportunity to wear the captain's armband. Yes, Aqua. This is it. Lost focus a bit, and he slipped through his legs to find Richmond Tete. It's a lovely play from Dreams, trying to corner the passes. Aziz. Yes, Memodine. Back to Aziz again. Yes, Christian. Tete. Garciaro. Yes, back to Aseko. That's a very, very wasteful hit by the goalkeeper, Julius Aseko. I was just feeling that he could have option to pass the ball. Samba. Scotty. Saka invited on his favorite left foot, but again, so many touches for the striker. He rose out beyond the bar line.
That was another chance gone begging. They're using the wings as usual, but I believe they need to make it work. They need to create, they need a potent player in the box, probably a 1 or 2 players in the box to bury those chances.
Well, maybe they could be picking a bit of confidence in Fernando Bassi, the Nigerian international, who is on the bench. There's another chap to look out for. He's got some very lovely feel in terms of his movement up front. He's a clever dribbler. Anytime he's running into the channel, but wait a minute, Kotoko had to deal with his defensive mess up. Blake gets it out. Here's Kote. Coming from the left-hand side. Keeps it there. Here's Aqua. Samidu Aqua, Betis man. Finds Saka. First goal! Lovely piece of passes, and the finish absolutely sublime. And Kotoko rejoices at the 2 balls to Kev. And they pray. Allah.
Fantastic. Fantastic play. Just like I indicated, they need to push more men into the box if they really want to score goals. And on this occasion, they had about 2 players with Yaya in the box where he buried the ball. That's fantastic.
Well, watch it again. Started off by Amidu Aqua for Saka, who releases it into Amidu Aqua again, and he just pushing it onto the path of Babayaya, the former King Faisal man, and he had a simple business of tapping it home. And Gideon Aseko thrown the other way around. And Kotoko leads. Well, less than 5 minutes to play for in this first half department of the game. And James, maybe Karim Zito would have to start looking at how to twerk his tactics.
They've been too casual for me in this game. They played very well, but I've been very...
Here's Samoa, not the best of first start. The man is to keep in his screen in the second one. That's a big hand. It's been taken in, and it's in. It's sucked up down with Kotoko's second goal. And it's becoming a certain party for the Red Army. He's seen less of the ball this afternoon, and the fewer he has seen when it starts is in. And dreams are being depleted apart here at their own backyard.
Like I said earlier, this clever little passes into the box is the way to go. If you don't have a potent striker, and you see there are 2 players in the box waiting for a pass to play into the net, and that's exactly what they do. They've done.
Well, quite shocking, isn't it? You've got so many Dreams players within their own box, and how did they allow this thing? Kotoko players who have a better of them.
It's actually a play style.
57 minutes. And it's still the same old story from the first half. Here's Blade. It's a lovely interception. Lemodine crosses it in. Lovely touch. Jay. And then they brace it in. Oh, this could be the consular scene. And the big man finally has hits one back for Dreams FC. As Joseph Eso.
The composure in the box for Eso is just wonderful. Any player would have taken the ball one time, but he took his time, picked up his spot, and placed the ball at the left down corner of the goalkeeper.
The man who knows how to do it best have just replied one. And Kotoko will need to be very careful. Lovely placement, lovely position.
Kotoko in the second half has been very casual. I believe it's the indication given at halftime. They are content with the scoreline.
Lawrence trying to drift into the middle. Wants to have a kick. They're really summing up the story of Kotoko this evening. Dreams have created numerous chances, but again, aside from Captain Joseph Eso, who has been very potent up front, they've not got any man to assist him. Kotoko themselves have created numerous opportunities, but again, to the dressing room, and for Coach Karim Zito and his men, they will have to try and see what will happen in the next fixture. And the fans really love it, enjoying every moment. And they've been able to turn the awards into such a story after losing 4 consecutive games on the road. The turning point